Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you the cheapest bank account that works well with PayPal. So my last video about PayPal, I showed you how to link your existing bank account from all major banks in South Africa to PayPal via the FNB website, but a lot of people were having difficulties or their banks simply refused to link. So my solution was to make another video showing you the cheapest and the most reliable bank account that works well with PayPal. The account that I'm talking about is called FNB Easy account. So what are the requirements? They need your ID document, your proof of residence, and a minimum deposit of 50 Rand. So you can withdraw this 50 Rand after you open the account. So let's talk about the pricing. They have two options. The first one is called Easy Smart option. It's 59 Rand per month. So they offer a lot of benefits, but you don't need these in order to use PayPal. So the one that I'm currently using is called FNB Pay As You Use. It's from $4.95 per month. So with this one you get free cash till withdrawals, free card swipes. You can also bank your change for free. And then the second step is to register for internet banking. In order to do this, it's best to do it while you are inside the bank branch. That way they can verify everything for you. Okay, let's move on to the third step, which is to link your FNB to PayPal. So to link your FNB account to PayPal, we are going to follow a video by Lebo P, which is on YouTube. I will leave a link in the description. So if you find this video useful, please leave a like and a comment if you need help. Thank you for watching.